To access the bottom of the dishwasher, the unit must be pulled out from underneath the counter and flipped onto its back. Be sure to have some towels nearby due to some of the components will still contain water. To remove the base, start by taking out these two screws. The base can then be pulled off. From here we will look at all the components located underneath the dishwasher. To remove the turbidity sensor, start by unplugging the wiring. Then take out these two screws. The turbidity sensor can then slide out and be removed. To remove the fill valve, start by taking out these two screws. Next, unplug the wiring and loosen the clamp holding the hose to the valve. Pull the hose off and the valve can then be removed. To take out the motor and pump assembly, start by removing these three screws found on the mounting plate. Next, loosen these two screw clamps and disconnect both of the hoses from the motor and pump assembly. The unit can then drop down. From here, disconnect the wiring and then pull off the leak detection sensor. The pump and motor assembly can then be removed from the dishwasher. To remove the motor circulation shield, take out these two screws. To take the mounting plate off, start by removing these four screws. Then remove the two wires from the capacitor, and the pump and motor assembly can then be removed. To remove the inline heater, start by loosening these two screw clamps. The pump and motor assembly does not need to be removed to work on the inline heater, but for this demonstration, we show it removed. Next, unplug the two electrical leads, and the heater can then be removed. To remove the drain pump, start by loosening this screw clamp, and then take out these two screws. Then loosen this hose clamp, and the drain pump can be pulled out. Revealing an electrical plug, which will need to be unplugged for the drain pump to be removed entirely. To remove the drain valve, start by loosening the screw clamp by the drain pump. Then loosen this screw clamp. Then underneath the drain valve, take out these two screws. The drain pump does not need to be removed to take out the drain valve, but in this demonstration we show it removed. Next, unplug the wiring and the drain valve can then be removed.